right, so let's say we're in Minecraft and we want to write down what something is. There's some different ways we can do that. There are actually four different things we could be writing on. Um, let's see, come on, load up. Okay, so let's go take a look at this. What we're going to do is click on the letter E. That opens your inventory. Now on here, the things that we can write on, one is the slate, and that's the small one. The next would be a poster, and that's this one here. The next would be a board, and the next would be a sign. All right, so once we have them, what we're going to do is I'm going to start with my slate. Once I choose it, then I simply right click to place it down. You'll notice the cursor's in there, so I can say whatever I want in there. Okay, and then click the X and it'll be there. The poster is really twice the size of the slate. You can write something that you want. You can either click this X or you can click somewhere out here. Actually, the X you have to click. Then the board is even larger than both. And this is where you could write a whole paragraph if you want to. All right. And then the sign is very similar to the slate, except it just looks like a wooden sign. And then the color choices were really for the background and the front of it. Now, say I wrote something on here, but I wanted to change it because I learned new information. You highlight it so one of the squares you'll notice is showing, and you right click, it opens it back up so you can change that sign again. Okay. If you lock it, no one else in your world will be able to open that sign and change the writing. But since we're creating right now, we can still create. Again, just right click on it if you need to go back to change some information. And then you can just open back up. All right, I hope that helps everybody.